welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class 5th science, animals and their varying lifestyles. Chapters animals and their varying lifestyles, but the subtopic is adaptation for feeding. Adaptation for feeding. Different types of animals feed different styles. Like some people eat by teeth, feed by teeth. Some animals feed by beaks. Some animals feed by sucking. So different kinds of people or animals have different feeding lifestyles. Depends on feeding, animals have three types. Animals have three types of animals. Number one, herbivorous. Number two, carnivorous. Number three, omnivorous. So animals have feeding styles. So animals have three types. Three types of animals: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Herbivorous animals that eat only on green plants. Like cow, goat, etc. Carnivorous animals that eat flesh of other animals or small animals like tiger, leopard, etc. And omnivorous animals that or which eat both green plants as well as flesh of animals or other animals like crow, vulture, etc. Okay? Now I have to discuss in details all the types of animals. So let's first I have to go discuss herbivorous animals. Herbivorous. Herbivorous or herbivorous. V-O-R-O-U-S. Animals which eat only on green plants or all other parts of plants like leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, branches is called herbivorous. Like cow, goat. Like cow and goat, deer, etc. Okay, deer, etc. In generally, herbivorous have sharp incisor in front of mouth to cutting branches or all other parts of green plants. And have also flat and strong molars or back teeth or claws to green all the other parts of plants. So herbivorous have two types teeth, front of sharp teeth or incisor teeth, back flat and strong, grinder teeth. Grinder teeth. Next one is, so the cow, goat, deer have two types of teeth, but some birds like parrot is a herbivorous animal because of it, or parrots eat fruits. Parrots eat seeds and fruits and feed by the help of curved beak. It has curved beak to easily catch and grin the fruits. Is that clear? Next one is mice, rats do not have teeth, but mice and rats have molds. Is called rodent. So mice and rats have rodent to catch its prey, easily catch its prey and grin this foods or seeds. Is that clear? Next one is insects like butterfly. Most insects have omnivorous or carnivorous, but insects like butterflies do not have teeth, but it have sucking tubes. These are called proboscis. These are called proboscis. These proboscis help us to suck nectar on the flowers. Or from the flowers. So butterflies have a herbivorous animal. Is that clear? Now I have to go herbivorous, then I have to go carnivorous animals. Same as carnivores or carnivorous. Some animals which eat flesh of other animals or small animals is called carnivores or carnivorous. That means eats flesh of other animals or some small animals is called carnivorous. Is that clear? So like tiger, cheetah, lion, etc. So they eat flesh of other animals or some their feed small animals or flesh of other animals. It has same features or some features. Carnivorous animals have flat and strong teeth to catch its prey. And back teeth is very curved and strong green flesh or bones of other animals. Flesh of bones or other animals. Is that clear? Next one, some insects have carnivorous like dragonflies. Dragonflies have carnivorous. He moves here and there and catch its small insects, moth, worms, earthworms, etc. Insects do not have teeth, but it has a folded or sticky tongue to catch its prey and folded on the mouth. Next one is mosquito. Mosquito is also carnivorous animals. Mosquitoes do not have teeth, but it has sucking tube to suck blood of other animals. Blood of other animals. Next one is eagle. Eagle fly in the sky. Eagles fly in the sky at a high distances. Whenever looks like eagles are carnivorous animals because of eagle eats flesh of other animals or dead body. Next one is frogs. Frogs also have sticky tongue. But do not have teeth. Whenever moves frog, then catch its prey by the help of sticky tongue. The sticky tongue is folded on the mouth. Whenever it catch its prey and folded on other mouths, then absorb all nutrients this insect. Next one is omnivorous or omnivores. I hope you will understood herbivorous and carnivorous. Now omnivorous animals. Discuss about omnivorous. Omnivore or omnivorous. Omnivorous. Animals which eat both of green plants as well as flesh of other animals. Are called omnivorous animals. Like hen, or human beings, crow, bear, etc. Okay, so hen, crow, human beings, bear have omnivorous category. Hens eat seed as well as some small insects. So is the fruits, cereals and small insects. or insects or animals. Insects or animals. Same as cereals and small insects or animals. Beer, same as beer, grass, and small animals like flesh. Okay, but human beings also have categorized omnivorous because of human beings eat plants of other parts of plants like leaves, flowers, radish means roots, stems, and so on, and as well as flesh of other animals. So human beings also have categorized omnivorous or omnivores. Now, but some people did not eat flesh. Then those human beings are called vegetarian. Human beings are called vegetarian. Do not eat. Some people did not eat flesh. Then they are called vegetarian. Is that clear? I hope you will understood this part. Adaptation for feeding. If you any doubt, please comment section. Please like, share this video with your friends. If still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.